Managing users and access privileges on your fire alarm panel helps organizations make sure that the appropriate personnel are assigned access with the necessary level of privileges to do their jobs. In the case of an incident, this feature also allows you to track user activity within the panel. You can add users in EST4 and assign them to one of 5 levels of privilege. The level at which you add a user determines that user's initial access. You can change the access privileges for a user at any time. Users are identified by a 3-digit identification number that you assign. To add, modify, or delete users, you will need to first sign into the administrator account. To add a user, scroll either to the left or to the right to locate and select Users. Then, on the top menu bar, select Add. Next, add the user ID number. I will add user 11, so I will enter 011. Then enter the PIN. For that user, I'll enter 4321. If I want to check to make sure I've entered the PIN correctly, I can tap on this icon that now shows me the PIN I entered, and to hide the PIN, tap on it again. Assigning privileges to a user. Click on the button pointing to the right next to the 0, the Next button. Here I can select which of the 5 user privileges I want to assign to that operator. I'll assign this operator User Privilege 3. Now that I've added the user and selected a privilege, save it by clicking the Save icon. Now this user has been activated. To test the new user, log out of the administrator account and log in using the new credentials. To change a user privilege, begin by selecting Privileges on the top menu bar. Then select the user, then hit the pencil icon here. You can change the PIN, select Next, and select the new user privilege. Then select Save. Now, the PIN and the privilege has been updated. To delete a user, select Delete. Select the user to delete, and then X. Now the user has been deleted. When you are finished adding or editing users, be sure to sign out.